In this example, we're adding and subtracting fractions. Listen out for the routines. When adding and taking, the same parts need making. But in part A, there's a mixed fraction. See a mixed, use the tick, and rewrite as an improper fraction. 1/4 is 4, plus 1 is 5 on 4 parts. Plus 5 on 8. Notice I've not yet made the same parts. I notice now that 4 fits into 8. I'll use 8 as my denominator. I've now got 10 parts on 8 plus 5 parts on 8. Altogether, I have 15 pieces out of 8, which is proper. Now we say how many times will 8 fit into 15, which is 1 whole time and some pieces remaining, which is 7 pieces on 8. Final result is a mixed number, 1 and 7 on 8. Part B, see a mixed, do the tick. I have 7 on 3 and see a mixed, do the tick. I have 5 on 4. When adding and taking, same parts need making. Use lowest common denominator 12. And I have 28 pieces out of 12 added to 15 pieces out of 12. Altogether, I have 43 pieces out of 12, an improper fraction. 12 fits into 43 3 whole times because 3 12s are 36. And the remaining pieces out of 12 are 7. Part C, it's takeaway. And we can see that 1/2 cannot be subtracted from 1/5 with ease. Even if we were to change to the same denominator, it's still tricky to subtract 5/10 from 2/10. So remember, when we see a mixed, we should use the tick and change to an improper fraction. 11 on 5, subtract 1 on 2. When adding and taking, same parts need making. Now I'll use lowest common multiple is 10. I have 22 pieces out of 10, subtract 5 pieces out of 10. I'm left with 17 pieces out of 10, improper. Now 10 fits into 17 1 whole time with 7 pieces remaining. Part D, takeaway, and this time 2 mixed fractions. I've got 9 on 4, take 11 on 6. When adding and taking, same parts need making. Use lowest common multiple of 12. And I've got 27 parts on 12, take 22 parts on 12. I'm left with 5 parts on 12.